Welcome aboard the Vision 444. This sleek, high-quality cruising catamaran has been built by sailors for sailors. Stick around for a full tour of this yacht in the dock and out at sea, and we'll explain what makes this South African cat so special. This is a vessel meant not just for weekend island hopping, but true long-distance cruising. Light, strong, and ready to explore far horizons. These yachts are built in Knysna in the Western Cape province of South Africa. Let's take a look. We start our tour from the dock in Cannes, stepping into the aft cockpit, which is roomy and sheltered. On the Vision 444, the cockpit is wind protected and carefully laid out, a comfortable hub for socialising or relaxing after a day's sail. There are side access doors in the gunnels for easy access and loading if you dock side on. Heading forward along the port deck, you'll notice the flush-mounted hatches that keep the deck clean and uncluttered. On the coach roof, there are glass solar panels built into the structure, easier to maintain and more efficient than flexible solar, all part of a modern, self-sufficient systems layout. Up forward, the Code Zero is flying. The integrated bowsprit gives extra reach for the light wind sails, widening the catamaran's envelope when the conditions are lighter. Here we're running at around 6 knots speed over ground in 8 knots of wind, which is just off the beam. The raised starboard helm station has good visibility over sails, deck and sea, a big plus when manoeuvring in marinas or tight anchorages. All lines run back to the helm and are managed here, so a short-handed crew can handle most sail changes without running forward. These clutches handle your starboard main sheet on a bridle system, the code halyard, jib sheet and topping lift. These handle your main halyard, spinnaker halyard, port main sheet and reefing lines, all well organised with plenty of winches to manage them. The helm seat is a double with views to the four corners of the boat. Inside the saloon, we're at the forward-facing nav station. Under a 13-knot breeze on a broad reach, we're doing around 8 knots, smooth and efficient. I like the smooth ride you get on this boat. The conditions are good here, but even in rougher weather, the ride is good. And that's because a lot of work has gone into centralising the weight, like the engines. And there is a big working space up here with plenty of storage. It feels like a safe boat. Let's head back into the saloon, which is light, airy and spacious for a 44-footer. The open layout connects cockpit, saloon and galley with a good flow. The saloon table telescopes down to make a night watch or day bed, and you get a good view forward from the nav station. I like a manual DC panel, and you have that angle well covered here. It's a good hub.
Right. You've got the two manufacturers. You've got Mastervolt and you've got Victron, and these are the Victron MG batteries.
Heading down into the starboard hull aft, we have the owner's cabin with the engine under the bunk. This layout puts weight low and central, improving motion under sail and making engine maintenance more accessible. Midships, there's ample storage with everything neat and accessible. You'll notice that the systems are easy to access for maintenance. Forward from there is a dedicated head and shower. The Vision 444 is built with practical liveaboard use in mind. And beyond that, a useful work area or workshop in the forepeak. The layout has been streamlined for everyday ease with no gimmicks, just smart, high-quality components throughout. She'd make a comfortable home on the water. There's a screen for more privacy on this side. In the port hull, midships you'll find a spacious athwartships berth. Forward there's a head and shower. Aft there's another full-size berth with its own shower and head. It almost feels like a second owner's cabin. Storage is generous, and again systems are grouped sensibly. Pumps are grouped together for easy maintenance, for example. The bunk aft matches the size of the owner's berth. Let's head back up top again. Back on deck, walking from the helm along the starboard side, you pass a large sail locker, which is handy for sails, lines or heavy gear. The boat's fuel tank is centrally located behind the windlass locker, placed to balance weight and maintain trim. There are additional storage lockers for fenders, dock lines or spare gear. The boom is accessible and configured with a hay rack system, which makes flaking and handling the mainsail easier when you're short-handed. On deck, the layout and hardware give you confidence. This catamaran carries a 3.6 metre tender easily on davits, good for cruising, diving or shore excursions. Throughout, the deck gear is robust. Cleats, safety rails and clip points all point to offshore capability, not just coastal cruising. There's the bridle mainsheet system we mentioned earlier. The devil is in the detail. And the Vision 444 has clever design touches throughout, like these telescopic safety bars for example, or these clip-on points for your light wind halyards. The Vision 444 stands out because it was developed by a team with a good understanding of what real cruising demands: seaworthiness, simplicity, comfort and reliability. Its composite infused construction keeps the hull light yet strong, ideal for long-term durability. With a self-tacking jib, balanced sail plan and well-designed helm and deck systems, it sails efficiently and predictably, even when short-handed. Internally, generous headroom, intelligently laid out systems and well-proportioned cabins make living aboard comfortable, whether for a weekend or months at sea. The Vision 444 sets its stall out as a high-quality, seaworthy catamaran built to last, engineered to sail well, and supported by a shipyard that values after-sales care as part of the ownership experience. She should hold her value well. If you have any questions on this catamaran, please contact us at info@catamarans.com or drop a note in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and subscribe. It helps us out. Here are the full specs. See you on the next one.